Hey there, Python pioneers, and welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about importing third-party modules. So up to this point, every module that we've used was a standard module included with Python when you install it. But um, people write their own modules, and it's better when you write code to try to not reinvent the wheel. If someone else has already done something, take advantage of that. And in some of the next videos, we're going to be looking at using a module called requests. But first, we have to install it. So how do you install a third-party module? This video is going to be instructions on how to install a third-party module using the Mu code editor. You can actually install it directly in Mu by clicking on, and let me move myself down here in the bottom right. There is this cogwheel, and if I click on it, it opens up this box here. If I click on third-party packages, and I can't really make this bigger, so bear with me, but there's a tab here that says third-party packages. Click on that. All you're going to do is type out the module name that you want. So if you're ever reading up on some ability in Python and they say, hey, you need this module and you need to install it, well, if you want to install it in Mu, all you do is type out the module name. In this case, we're going to type out requests. REQUESTS. Click OK. And it does all the work for us. It's done. It has installed requests. And that means that now I can come over here to import and import requests. And when I run that code, it will actually import that library. Now, if I were to try to import requests without installing requests, so if I come over here to my third-party package manager, delete everything and press OK, it actually uninstalls the packages. Now, if I close that and try to import requests, it says, hey, no module named requests found. That's the kind of error you're going to get if you try to use a module you haven't installed. So just go ahead, install it, come back here, add in requests, click OK. So we've got that request module. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can install a third-party module using PowerShell, or if you're on a different operating system like Mac, how you could do it in Terminal. All right, thanks.